Looking to upgrade your Jeep's audio system without the hassle of poor connections? This OEM-quality wiring harness promises the most secure link between your amplifier and head unit. With precision-engineered terminals, it ensures a tight fit that won't let your sound system down when it matters most. I recently swapped the factory head unit in my 98ZJ equipped with a premium Infinity system for a budget-friendly Kenwood model. The only challenge was identifying the correct wire for the amp's remote turn-on, which didn't match the factory setup. A bit of trial, error, and some quick research online had me up and running smoothly. For professionals like me, having the right parts on hand is critical. When I needed a harness for a Jeep Liberty with a factory amp, finding the exact component quickly was essential. Thanks to fast shipping, I got the harness delivered right when I needed it, saving time and keeping my installation on track. What stands out is the attention to detail in the harness's design. The terminals meet OEM standards, guaranteeing a connection as reliable as the original factory wiring. This means fewer worries about signal loss or interruptions during your drives, letting you enjoy crisp, clear sound every time. If you're upgrading your Jeep's audio system or replacing worn-out wiring, this harness is worth a look. It fits perfectly, installs with ease, and maintains the integrity of your vehicle's sound system. That's what you get when you choose a product designed to meet exact factory specifications. Amazon's quick shipping and positive customer feedback back up the quality of this harness. Users report seamless compatibility and reliable performance, making it a smart choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers. Happy customers keep coming back, and that says a lot about the product's value. Ready to improve your Jeep's audio experience with a dependable wiring harness? If that's you, this OEM quality option fits the bill. It's designed to keep your system connected and sounding great, with the convenience of fast delivery to get you started sooner. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your sound system without compromise. This harness delivers secure connections, straightforward installation, and peace of mind, so your music plays just the way it should, clear, powerful, and uninterrupted.